Hey, Toby Barnett here with the Barnett Associates team, and just gonna do a little safety video today. Right now, we're just coming off kind of our real cold stint, and we're getting some nice blue sky out here. And one thing to watch out for is the icicles making on your gutter line. So today, one is just safety, especially if you have young kids around that want to, like mine, wants to eat all the icicles and stuff. So it's helpful just to take them off. And if you can see behind me, that our rear gutter line has done pretty well at growing them. So today I'm just going to knock them off. I've been keeping them off on the front side of the house just because they've been growing or building pretty quickly as the snow's melting and the sun's been out. So I've been keeping those ones knocked down. But, you know, all I do is I grab a broom and just run it down the gutter line and just knock them off real quick and just be safe. And that way nobody gets hurt during the winter months. But anyways, there's just my little tech tip. And you'll also notice, like, around businesses and stuff, I've seen quite a few growing that, you know, if they do come off, you don't want to be underneath them. So just keep aware and be safe out there. And here, I'm even going to show you how I do it with a broom so I can avoid some hate on the YouTube that I get when I typically don't just explain every detail. But anyways, enjoy. Hope you guys are having some fun out in the snow out there. We got an ice jam pretty bad. So, if you can hear me, I'm trying to knock off the bottoms so they don't go through anything when they come down, like on the deck, septic lids. Right now, it really looks like the gutter has an ice jam in it pretty hard. I'll definitely welcome some warming temperature. Anyways, get out there, be safe, take care of your house, clean off what you can. It'd be a benefit. But anyways, thanks for tuning in for this other home maintenance video, and stay warm and dry out there. All right, bye.